Alam mo, we discovered the place, no? After leaving Chiang Mai, no? In between, after the mountains. So we want to have some break. No? We discovered this place. This is a good example of farm or ecotourism. Although along the road siya, no? Napansin nyo? Puro mga rice paddies. Green na green. Okay? Tingnan natin, itour ko kayo sa why I say that this place is really ideal na farm tourism. Pwedeng gayahin sa Pilipinas to. You know? So this place, yan. Diyan siya. Puro rice paddies. No? Then we have this walkway. Ang ganda ng walkway niya. Yan. So yung coffee shop niya is along the highway. Pero gumawa siya ng extension papasok. No? Yan o. Pakita ko yung backdrop from here. Yan o. Diba? Rice paddies. Rice paddies. So may mga bahay kubo. You want to have some coffee. So let's check in facilities niya. Ito. This is along the highway, no? We just had our order. Nag-order kami sa loob. Pagpasok mo dito, quite slippery lang siya, no? Yan. Facilities niya. Here. Puno. Malakas kasing ulan kanina, no? The heavy rains leaving Chiang Mai. It's very slippery. Uy! Delikado, no? Yung facilities niya sa loob. Then yan, toilet. Check ito yung mga tables na here. Is near itong along the road. So may ingay. So makikita mo lang na we're looking for 7-Eleven sana to have coffee. We discovered this place. Ang place niya, Love Spoon, you know, Love Spoon and premises inside. Ayan, here, no, Love Spoon Coffee House. So we have very nice layout. Yan. Yan. Okay. Coffee house, ito yung their pricing, coffee pricing is here, reasonable, fair. Yan. Okay. Okay. Gandang concept gayahin, no? Ayan, this is our, wow, this is Kape Mocha. Yan, this is our coffee. Diba? Nice presentation. We ordered hotdog at saka yung croissant. It's almost past lunch time.